What's up YouTube? Welcome to my new channel, NickKicks42. Yeah, I'm just gonna introduce you to my channel and tell you everything that's gonna be happening, what's gonna be going on, what's gonna be expected. So this is gonna be a skateboarding channel, and I'm gonna show you my setup real quick. I'm riding this awesome skateboard. It's actually a crappy deck, but I got some awesome Grizzly grip tape. Got some silver trucks right there, and I got a really crappy board, Spitfire wheels. So yeah, that's my setup, and I was kind of close, I guess. I don't know what to say, but yeah. So I'm gonna make skateboard videos once every week. So yeah, keep an eye out for that. But this video doesn't count. I'm gonna make another one tomorrow, most likely. So yeah, this is all, guys. I just wanted to introduce you to my channel. My name's NickKicks. So yeah, thanks for watching, and peace.